Okay, so Ivy and Tiny show going to Laguna Part 2. And of course you should already know by now, I'm Ivy. La la la. And you're
Tani.
And she's about to check out some guys right now. But yeah, and so we are just going to the Laguna Beach Festival. And I think this is it, right?
No.
This is it?
I don't know what
It says Sawdust Art Festival.
Oh, I guess.
So we zoom in, see, right there. Ooh, art. And we're going to videotape us going into there. Tani's not talking this episode, I don't know why. But she does decide to talk, so I guess it's good. Okay. Right now, Tani, you want to say something?
Yeah, here,
I'm hungry.
Layla.
Very hungry. Okay. Okay.
And then Amir, she has to talk.
Oh yeah, Amir, you want to say something?
Amir.
You want to say something to the camera?
Say no comment.
Amir is not doing anything that I or whatever. Okay, let's not even go over there. Can you buy a ticket here? Over here. Over here?
I have the ticket stand right now. So, oh yeah, you guys want to get a nice view. Look at that sunset. Can your camera zoom, Connie?
No.
Look at the tall mountain. Look at this greenery. Hi, Amir. You want to say something? Hi. To the Tani and Ivy show. Say hi, Amir.
Thank you very much.
No comment.
He hasn't woken
Picking up,
up
yeah.
yet.
You still like with the crowd. Tani, want to say something?
Pay $18.
Okay. What's all this fuzzy stuff coming?
From up here.
Oh, look at the doggy. Honey, look at the doggy.
Yeah, I know. I pointed that out.
What's up with... Oh, is it snow?
I think so. I think so.
Yeah, this is fake snow, y'all. Oh, you don't get to see your hair. Oh, heck no. Hi. Why is it wet? I think it was wet. It was. Come on, Amir.
Amir.
They're trying to take a picture.
Hey, Amir. That's a big thing. Connie.
Don't grab my camera, please.
You gotta take good pictures.
Okay.
I did a silly thing.
Connie, your boyfriend's boyfriend.
No, they were bubbles. God, they were bubbles. They were bubbles.
Y'all should have seen her face.
Look at that. Wow. I don't know how my camera. Take a picture of Mir, please.
Okay.
Sit down,
right
Mir.
now we're gonna stop.
Let Mir and Layla sit down. Get a picture of both of them for me.
Can you stop this? I think we...
They look cute.